Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world. It's powering groundbreaking advancements in countless fields. Understanding AI is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. To empower the next generation of AI innovators, we need accessible and comprehensive educational resources. Nvidia's new Generative AI Teaching Kit answers this call, ushering in a new era of AI education. This groundbreaking kit provides educators with the tools and resources to teach generative AI effectively. It's designed to make AI education more engaging, practical, and impactful. With this kit, students can delve into the fascinating world of generative AI and develop the skills needed to shape the future. NVIDIA's Generative AI Teaching Kit is a comprehensive resource designed to empower educators in the field of artificial intelligence. It goes beyond traditional teaching methods by providing a hands-on learning experience. The kit equips educators with the tools and knowledge to teach students about building and deploying generative AI models. This kit is a game changer for AI education. It bridges the gap between complex AI concepts and practical application. Students will gain a deep understanding of generative AI and its potential to revolutionize various industries. Nvidia has partnered with Dartmouth College, a renowned institution with a rich history in computer science and AI research, to develop this cutting-edge teaching kit. Dartmouth's expertise in AI education, coupled with Nvidia's technological prowess, has resulted in a truly exceptional resource for educators and students alike. This collaboration brings together the best of academia and industry. Dartmouth's faculty have played a pivotal role in shaping the kit's curriculum and ensuring its alignment with the latest advancements in AI. This partnership underscores the importance of industry-academic collaboration in fostering the next generation of AI professionals. The NVIDIA Generative AI Teaching Kit demystifies the complex world of generative AI. It covers a wide range of topics, starting with the fundamentals of natural language processing and deep learning. Students will delve into the intricacies of diffusion models, a powerful class of generative models that have gained significant traction in recent years. The kit provides a clear and concise explanation of these concepts, making them accessible to students from diverse backgrounds. Through a combination of theoretical knowledge and practical exercises, students will gain a solid foundation in generative AI. Practical applications: transforming industries with generative AI. Generative AI is not just a theoretical concept, it has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries. The NVIDIA Teaching Kit highlights these practical applications, showcasing how generative AI is being used to solve real-world problems in healthcare, finance, art, and more. For instance, students will learn how generative AI can be used to develop new drug therapies, create personalized financial plans, and generate stunning works of art. These real-world examples will inspire students and demonstrate the transformative power of AI. A powerful toolkit: hardware and software working in harmony. The NVIDIA Generative AI Teaching Kit provides access to a powerful suite of hardware and software tools that are essential for developing and deploying generative AI models. Students will gain hands-on experience with NVIDIA's H100 Tensor Core GPUs, renowned for their exceptional computing power, which is crucial for training complex AI models. Furthermore, the kit includes access to the NVIDIA NeMo framework, a comprehensive platform specifically designed for building and training generative AI models. NeMo simplifies the model development process, enabling students to focus on exploring different AI architectures and experimenting with various generative techniques. Hands-on learning bringing generative AI to life. This section is designed to immerse students in the fascinating world of generative AI through practical, real-world applications. The NVIDIA Generative AI Teaching Kit emphasizes hands-on learning, providing a variety of interactive labs and exercises that allow students to apply their knowledge in practical settings. These labs are meticulously crafted to ensure that students can experiment and innovate, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. These labs cover a wide range of generative AI tasks, such as image generation, text-to-image synthesis, and music composition. Students are encouraged to explore their creativity and technical skills, blending art and science to create unique AI-driven projects. By working through these labs, students will gain valuable practical experience and develop a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities presented by generative AI. They will learn to troubleshoot issues, optimize algorithms, and critically analyze AI-generated outputs, preparing them for future careers in this dynamic field. The hands-on nature of the kit ensures that students are not only learning the theory, but also gaining the practical skills needed to build and deploy generative AI solutions. This comprehensive approach equips students with the confidence and competence to tackle real-world AI problems, making them valuable contributors to the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Educators praise Nvidia's commitment to AI education. The Nvidia Generative AI Teaching Kit has garnered widespread praise from educators at leading universities worldwide. This innovative teaching kit is designed to provide comprehensive resources and tools that make it easier for educators to integrate AI into their curriculum. They commend Nvidia for its commitment to democratizing AI education and providing educators with the resources they need to prepare students for the demands of an AI-powered world. By offering extensive support and cutting-edge technology, Nvidia is helping to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Professor Fei Li of Stanford University remarked, "Nvidia's teaching kit is an invaluable resource for educators like myself who are passionate about equipping students with the skills and knowledge to shape the future of AI. The kit's comprehensive materials and hands-on approach make it an essential tool in modern education." These testimonials underscore the transformative potential of the kit in empowering educators and shaping the next generation of AI professionals. By fostering a deeper understanding of AI technologies, Nvidia is playing a crucial role in preparing students to become leaders in this rapidly evolving field. The impact of this initiative is already being felt in classrooms around the globe, as more educators adopt the kit and integrate its resources into their teaching strategies. Empowering educators, free access to cutting-edge resources. In a testament to its commitment to advancing AI education, Nvidia is providing the Generative AI Teaching Kit free of charge to qualified educators worldwide. This initiative aims to remove financial barriers and make AI education accessible to a wider audience. Educators can request access to the kit through Nvidia's website. The application process is straightforward, ensuring that educators can quickly integrate this valuable resource into their curricula. Nvidia's decision to offer the kit for free is a testament to its dedication to fostering a more inclusive and accessible AI ecosystem. Shaping the future generative AI's impact on education and beyond. In this chapter, we explore how generative AI is not only transforming education, but also extending its influence far beyond the classroom. Nvidia's Generative AI Teaching Kit is poised to revolutionize AI education and empower the next generation of AI innovators. This kit provides a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to make the teaching and learning of AI concepts more accessible and engaging. By providing educators with the tools and resources to teach generative AI effectively, Nvidia is playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of this transformative technology. Teachers can now integrate AI into their curriculum seamlessly, fostering a deeper understanding and sparking curiosity among students. As generative AI continues to advance, its impact will be felt across all industries. From healthcare to finance and from manufacturing to entertainment, AI is set to revolutionize the way we work and live, driving efficiency and innovation. The students who benefit from this kit will be at the forefront of this AI revolution, developing innovative solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. They will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to tackle issues such as climate change, healthcare disparities, and more. Nvidia's commitment to AI education is not just about technology, it is about empowering individuals and shaping a brighter future for all. By investing in education, Nvidia is ensuring that the next generation is prepared to harness the full potential of AI, driving progress and creating a more equitable world.